Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Recently my wife's brakes started to vibrate upon pressing the pedal, so I decided to give this company, which I think is a Canadian company, Max Brakes, a try. My uncle pointed them out to me on Amazon for a front pair of rotors and pads. It came out to be only around $69 or so shipped. Usually I go to Napa and just pick out the cheapest rotors and pads that they would have available for a daily driver, but this time around I figured what the heck, so I didn't know what to expect, but I decided to do a short review. Before we open the packages, I just want to start by saying that I'm not in any way sponsored by Max Brakes. I bought these upon my uncle's recommendation. He told me that he used the same brakes on his Jettas Mark IVs. Here's the packaging for the calipers, right? I think they're a Canadian company. It does say made in Taiwan, but they're a Canadian company. Carbon ceramic disc brake pads. Okay, so let's open it up. Packaged pretty well. Alright, it's got brake service recommendations in French, yada yada. And here are the brake pads. So, looks like they're encased in some sort of plastic. That's pretty nice. I like that they included like a break-in procedure. Let's get to the actual product. Hang on a sec, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but alright. So, the material seems to be of pretty good quality. I can't tell the difference between this and like say a Napa brand. Production wise, there's some weight to it. It looks solid. Trying to see if anything jumps out to me, but so far nothing. It's everything that you'd expect from a set of brake pads from a manufacturer. Doesn't seem to have any defects. Looks very good, very well made. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the rotors now too. Looks like the quality is super good. Again, vented brakes. You can tell that it's like new. Definitely has some weight to it. Solid in construction. You don't see any cracks or defects. All in all, what you'd expect from a good brake manufacturer. We're gonna go ahead and install this front brake set on my wife's car, and obviously break it in and use it for a couple days, and we'll let you know how it performs.
3 weeks later.
Alright guys, it's been a couple weeks since we installed the new rotors and pads for Max Brakes. It no longer vibrates when you press the pedal, and since I put them on, I didn't experience any squealing, and it's been holding up really well so far. Just have to make sure that you use the appropriate brake cleaner on the rotor surfaces, and make sure that you use anti-seize on the sliders, as well as on the surface of the brake pad that meets the caliper. So as long as you do all those things, you shouldn't really experience any squealing or screeching for that matter. The brakes are really performing well, and I'm so far really pleased with the purchase. If you can tell me where else you could find quality brake rotors and pads for the front of your car for 60 bucks, let me know. But so far, Max Brakes gets 5 stars from us. Would purchase again. I'll probably replace the front brakes on the Jetta with a similar pad and rotor combination from Max Brakes. So, alright guys, I also wanted to point out that aside from the surprising quality for the cost, I found that the company also had really good customer service. After the order was paid for, they immediately reached out and sent an email to me asking me to confirm my car's year, model, and make, as well as the trim level, just to make sure that the parts that I ordered were indeed the right fit for the car. And I really appreciated that. Their parts were a breeze to install. I think I was able to install the rotors and pads in less than an hour. Make sure you do the break-in procedure properly and everything should go smoothly. Again, this is JC here, Broke Boys Club. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. And as always, fake it till you make it. God bless. Peace.